Index needed. Index needed.
Welcome to Britofx. The Bitcoin market has been making a lot of waves, a lot of bullish potentials. A lot of people are excited that the Bitcoin has woken up, and there is a whole lot of hope right now. If you watch our previous videos on the crypto market and Bitcoin, you find out that this is no news to us, because we have been predicting some of these levels lately and some of the things that are currently happening in the crypto market right now. This video I'll be talking about new developments in the Bitcoin market precisely, and what I see that is likely to happen. Remember, we are dealing on probabilities here, not certainty. So these things have a high chance of happening than it not happening, but it's not a be all in all. There are room for failures and there are room for it not happening exactly as it is. And one thing about the market is that as the market moves, it presents opportunities. Nobody can predict the market completely, but you can have an idea, a high probability of an idea where the market is likely to go to. And as it moves higher and as it unfolds, you see more logical reasons why it should happen a certain way you are expecting. Because most people are asking, after 30k or 35k, what next should we expect in the Bitcoin market? The truth is that nobody knows for sure, but we just have to wait for it to get to those price levels. Then we will know the next thing to anticipate or forecast. But currently, right now, it hasn't yet reached $30,000 as the time I'm making this video. It's currently at $27,888,000. That's the price it is right now. So I'll be walking through my screen, and I'll be telling you reasons and possible scenarios that might occur before it gets to $35,000. So let's get to it. So this is the chart. This is the Bitcoin chart. You can see this level. If you watch our previous videos on Bitcoin, you will see that I'll be at the end of this video, you'll be seeing them at the description. You notice that these levels were predetermined before it happened. These levels were predetermined beforehand. So this is currently at $27,888. So I'm looking at this scenario right now. I'm looking at this scenario that this market will come to this. This market will come to this. Will come to this level. It's likely to come to this breaker. This is a 4-hour order block. It can also be a breaker because this level was cleared. It can come to this. It can come down to this. What do I use to illustrate this properly? It can come down to this. It can come down to this level, this yellow box here at 21,000 before it will push up again. This is possible because this is a breaker. This is a breaker. It's also an order block. So this area now, this area you see this box, this yellow box. It can come down and bounce up, and you can now see it moving forward. This is a daily order block. Look at the 4-hour, you can see a fair value. Those who are conversant with ICT terms, you understand what I mean. So this is what I think. This is what I see. This is what I think. These are liquidity. This is stop. These are pocket of stops. These are stops. So it can likely trade down and scare a lot of people. When it trades down, it's going to likely scare a lot of people. A lot of people will get scared when it trades down. When it trades down, a lot of people will get scared. Shape. A lot of people will get scared once it trades down to this level. A lot of people will get scared. Shape. And some will sell off, but this is what I see. It come to this level or below it, then it will now push up. Let me change the color. Let me change the color so it will make sense. Angular properties. So this is what I anticipate. So once it comes to this level, then from this level it's going to bounce up, shape. This is exactly this is what I see. These are candle. Yellow represents the bearish candle and the red represents the bullish candle. So it's likely to fall down, go lower, then bounce up again. This is the turning point. Shape. This is likely to be the turning point. This is not what I need. This is likely to be the turning point. So this is likely to be the turning point at this area. So this is what I anticipate for the Bitcoin moving forward, if there should be a drop. So let's see how it's going to go. So we are still on the forex trading series. I've produced the video. More videos will be coming on the forex trading series. Like I said, the next video on the forex trading series will be how to find a broker, because if you don't find a broker, there's no way you could trade. So finding a broker, creating an account with a broker, you have at least a demo account, then every other thing will be added onto you. So if you're new to this channel, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you find value. Until next time, I wish you good luck.
Index media.